All right, we just got this silicone drain, and this is perfect if you're gonna do spaghetti or some noodles. It has two clips, all right, and it is dishwasher safe. This is all silicone, so don't worry about the heat. It's not gonna melt or anything else. It takes a lot of tolerance for it. So if you guys can see, here's a sprout, right, that you actually pour in the water. So we are gonna use it. These are the two clips that clip onto the actual pot. Just make sure that they do have different colors, different sizes. I would suggest you, if you're gonna have smaller pots, get different colors so you don't distinguish the colors, all right? You could interchange them within sizes and colors depending on your pot. So we're gonna use this today. I just washed it right now. It's a little bit wet. It's flexible. This goes anywhere, especially in your drawer. All right, so this is a simple thing. This is how you do it. You clip this inside, right? Inside, clip it on the outside, all right? You could grab anywhere you want. So we're gonna go ahead and drain this out. If you guys can see that, let me take you guys over there where I'm gonna drain it. All right, it's easy to drain. If you guys can see that. We're not losing anything. Good, see? Got on the noodles there. So very simple to drain everything without losing anything. Take this off. All right, be careful, it's a little hot. Put it in the sink.